Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to our house in Mission Viejo. I'm Martin.
And I'm Stephanie.
Come on in and let us show you the work that Millennium Construction has done in our backyard. Well, this is the backyard. We moved into this house in the year 2005 and did some basic things. Since then, we've been wanting to renovate it. And we were very fortunate to go visit some friends of ours here in Mission Viejo, and they had done Millennium Construction. And we loved it. I had a pretty good idea of the vision that we had for our backyard. We redid the flooring. As you can see, we had this tile, and we have the wine bar. That was Eddie's idea. We used to have our bar, a much smaller bar on this area, but he came back with a phenomenal design, proposed to have a water fountain over here and move the bar to this corner. We had originally thought of having a smaller bar, but he kept proposing having two counters so that we would have a really good flow of people. We usually have big parties, at least 50 people, and that works out really well. We used to have grass here in the middle. That was removed, and we wanted a fireplace, and he came up with the idea and the design. And
one of my favorite pieces here in the backyard is the fireplace. We were thinking about putting it in that corner, but we wanted this to be the focal point, and it's just great. It's got different colors.
And the pool, we used to have a slate coping, and we modernized it, put new tile, new plaster, and Eddie came up with the idea of having a deck on this side for our lounges. And something that my wife really wanted, what was that?
The sauna.
You know, we have an infrared sauna.
So this is the sauna. This was very important to me. I love saunas. This is for a 5-seater right here. So 5 people fit in here. It's great. They found the perfect spot. They connected it. They made it work. And we're just so happy with it.
We used to have our 2 HVAC units that were taken where the 2 chairs are, the whole space. And those were moved to the side of the house. That was Eddie's idea. And that gave us room to install the sauna. Millennium Construction did all the electrical. It was fantastic, you know, the whole experience we have really enjoyed from beginning to end. The whole crew that works with the company is phenomenal. I would recommend this company to absolutely anyone. Actually, we've already given a couple of referrals to Millennium Construction.
We were very happy to come across Millennium. Their work ethic, their ideas are incredible. We had to make changes to the project. They didn't have a problem even giving us more ideas so that we could be happier with the project.
And the design, it was a 3D design that they did of the backyard. And as we were making changes, as we were choosing the tile for the pool, they were updating the design and we would get new pictures. Whenever you're putting this kind of a project together, you need something visual because you have to make so many decisions that you don't know that the color that you're choosing is right. Just being able to update it along the way from beginning to end was fantastic. So we couldn't be any happier. Well, we want to thank everyone at Millennium Construction. It's been a phenomenal experience, and we'll see you, when we have our next project. Thank you so very much.
Our next project will probably be soon, so we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you very much for everything you've done. The project was beautiful. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.